We'll review here briefly operations on polynomials, and we'll start with addition and subtraction. To add or subtract two polynomials, we'll have to remove first the parentheses using distributive property, and then add or subtract the like terms. So let's recall how we add or subtract like terms. The like terms again are the terms that have the exponent variable in the same exponent. So if I need to add two like terms, like ax to the power n and bx to the power n, we add just coefficients a plus b and multiply by x to that power. This is the distributive property that runs backwards. If I want to multiply a monomial expression b times x to the power n by a real number, what we do is multiply the coefficient b times the number a and multiply by x to the power n. This is using the associative property of multiplication. We can multiply numbers in any order. So for example, if I have to subtract, for example, 2x to the third minus 7x to the third, two like terms, then what I have to do is just subtract the coefficients, keep the variable to the same exponent, and the result is negative 5x to the third. Of course, this is done mentally. Now, if I need to multiply, let's say, the binomial negative 3 times x squared, then what we do is we multiply just 2 and negative 3 and keep the exponent variable to the exponent, so we'll have negative 6x squared. So with that in mind, we can go to our example and subtract the polynomials. Again, the first step is to remove the parentheses. So we remove the parentheses by using distributive property. The 3 will have to be multiplied by any of the monomials inside the parentheses, and therefore we'll have 3 times 2x cubed is 6x cubed. Then 3 times negative 4x squared will be negative 2x squared. Then 3 times negative x will be negative 3x, and 3 times positive 3 is 9. We'll do the same with the second parenthesis. Obviously, there is the minus sign. We'll say we distribute minus sign, but what we are really distributing is negative 1 that stands in front of that parenthesis. So as a result, we'll have plus 4x squared minus 2x and plus 5. The next step is to combine the like terms, and because we have to write the polynomial in a standard form at the end, then we'll start with the x to the highest exponent, which is x cubed. So we're looking now for the terms with the x cubed. There is none, so we'll just rewrite 6x cubed. Then the next term would be the term with the x squared. We have the negative 12x squared and plus 4x squared. These are like terms, so if we add coefficients, we'll have negative 8x squared. The next term will have x, so here is the term with x, and here these are like terms. When added, will give me negative 5x, and then we are left with the numbers 9 plus 15 is 14. As a result, we have a polynomial in a standard form.